If you want to turn off the keyboard vibration on your Android phone, the easiest way to do this is actually not through the settings. You can just go to any app where you can type, so you'll bring up the keyboard, and then if you're using the standard Gboard as your keyboard, which most of you are, tap that little gear icon first to go to the keyboard settings, and then we're going to tap Preferences. Then within the preferences, you can scroll down and you'll see a toggle here for keyboard vibration. Just turn that off and your keyboard is not going to vibrate anymore as you type. If you're on a Samsung phone, you might be using the Samsung keyboard, which is slightly different. So once again, you can go to any app that allows you to bring up the keyboard and type, and then we're going to tap that gear icon to go to the settings. Now, in the Samsung keyboard settings, you would scroll down to Swipe, Touch, and Feedback, and there we're going to tap into Touch Feedback. You can control sound and vibration separately here, so the sound toggle is for the keyboard clicks you might hear, and the vibration toggle will turn off the haptic feedback you feel when pressing each letter on the keyboard. And that's really it. Nice and easy, right? Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy Android guides like this one. Thanks all, I'll see you guys in another video.